Consider y equals x to the 4 minus 8x squared plus 7. Find the coordinates and nature of all stationary points and points of inflection. So, start with, let's differentiate. y dx is 4x cubed. Take away 16x. We want that to be 0 for stationary points, so 4x cubed minus 16x is equal to 0, giving us 4x. X squared minus 4 is equal to 0. So 4x, x minus 2, x plus 2 is equal to 0. And that gives us x is negative 2, 0, or 2. Now, if x is negative 2, we're going to get 16. Take away 8 times 4, which is 32. Add 7. And so that gives us negative 9. So we've got negative 2, negative 9. If x is 0, then we would just get 7. So we'll have 0, 7. And if x is 2, it's going to be the same sort of thing as up here, because this is an x to the 4 and an x squared. And so we'll have a 2, negative 9. So let's look at the second derivative, which means differentiating this again. So d2y dx squared, given, we're not given yet. We're going to have 12x squared take 16. So d2y dx squared, if x is negative 2, that is going to be 12 times 4 take 16. That's going to be positive, and that is going to imply that we have a minimum. Then we have d2y dx squared, given that x is 0, that's going to be negative 16. So that is negative, which implies that we have a maximum. And then d2y dx squared, given x equals 2, once again is 12 times 4 take 16. That is going to be positive, so we have a minimum. So we don't have any horizontal points of inflection, but we will have points of inflection because we have a minimum, a maximum, and then we have another minimum. So there will be points here and here where the concavity changes. So we're going to have oblique points of inflection. To find those, we're going to look at d2y dx squared being 0. So that's 12x squared minus 16 equals 0. Well, that will give us 12x squared is equal to 16. So x squared is 16 over 12, or 4 on 3. So x will be plus or minus 2 on root 3, which we really should write as 2 root 3 on 3, rationalizing the denominator. To find the corresponding y coordinates, we can substitute back to here. The y coordinate's actually going to be the same because of the x to the 4 and the x squared, so it doesn't matter what we're substituting in, it's positive or negative. So I might just work with a figure 2 over root 3. And so we've got 2 over root 3 to the power 4. Take away 8, 2 over root 3 squared plus 7. So that is going to give me 16 on 3. Take away 8 times, sorry, it's to the power 4. So that'll be 9, won't it? And then that will be 8, and that'll be 4 on 3 plus 7. So that is 16 on 9, take away 32 on 3 plus 7. So 16 on 9 take away 96 on 9, add 63 on 9, gives us negative 17 on 9. So we've got oblique points of inflection at plus or minus 2 root 3 on 3 and negative 17 on 9.